Hey everyone, welcome back to Jady Kreativ. In today's video, I'm sharing 17 genius kitchen hacks that will totally blow your mind. These tricks will save you time, make cooking easier, and even turn everyday tasks into fun little wins. Let's jump right in. By the way, if you're enjoying these hacks so far, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Jady Kreativ for even more amazing kitchen hacks. No more losing your money to those hanging trash bins. More cups, less time. Here's a quick way to pour water evenly. No steamer? No worries. A few chopsticks can do the trick, you might never need to buy one again. With just a little hack, you can save time and avoid getting that spicy chili burn on your hands. Garlic goes bad quickly if you just leave it out. Let me show you a super easy way to keep it fresh and mold-free. Salt keeps garlic fresh by absorbing moisture and stopping mold from growing. Your chopsticks are all mismatched? Don't worry, I'll show you a super simple trick to line them up. No clips, no rubber bands, just a super easy way to tie your bag. Not just for baking, a whisk helps your tea steep better and makes removing the bag super easy. Cutting onions usually makes your eyes water, right? Here's a simple trick: chill the onions in the fridge for about 30 minutes before cutting. Why does this work? When you slice into an onion, it releases a gas that irritates your eyes and makes them tear up. By keeping the onion cold, the release of that gas slows down a lot, meaning less tears and way more comfort while cooking. Thanks a ton for watching. If you enjoyed these kitchen hacks, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more awesome food hacks and creative tips. See you in the next one, and until then, happy cooking!